Hello everyone, so today's pickup look like that. Not big pile, tiny one, but it's all cool. I get like a little bit of alu, some kind of profiles, I believe for ventilation, just simple aluminum. Anyway, I get like one piece of extruded, look like some tightening list for some window or glass, something like that. Anyway, cool. Later on I get some, like one old Nokia again, same kind like the last one. Cool. And then I get some kind of device, wireless device with the place for SIM card, and there's actually, I can see some memory card in there as well. I see 2 gigabytes. Cool. And there is the chip what I found last time on GPS device. Looks similar, also with this vacuum ventil on it. Yeah, so, and also has antenna. So there is something like GPS or something like that, maybe tracking device. Cool. Then later on I get some like old-time automatic setup, and as I look at it, it was made in 18 April 19, so 28 years old already. Cool. All casing is alu, a lot of gold pins in this. Who knows what circuit boards we have on there, but I believe should be quite nice. Then later on you get like few laptops, basically just for scrapping out. They're missing hard drive, batteries, memory, but the CPU is still on the plates. And that was ThinkPad. I get some, why do I get this one as well? This is just plastic. Okay, maybe I just mix it up with something. Another laptop. This one is Dell. Again, missing RAM, hard drive, battery, and even cooling for the, there is cooling for the CPU. Anyway, just for scrap, some kind of casing, just clean aluminum, ready to go. Just need to drop it in the right bucket. And then again some Dells. This one missing screen, and same deal, no guts on it. Another Dell. Just scrap. Another alu cover of something, and one more, just ready to go. Another Dell without screen, just for scrap, for the motherboards, and one more Lenovo, also no guts in it. That's okay with me. What else? Another circuit board. What is that? I have no idea yet, but I see some outputs, RJ45, some memory chips in here, and the bigger one. So some tiny gold fingers and some gold plating on the cell board, other side as well. And that's basically it. Few chips, few tantalums, few MLCCs. There I see some nice chips, so probably that's why I did take that circuit boards. Anyway, Another one, almost the same like last time I get. Also some gold flashing on it, few IC, and mount on alu plate. Here I had like, it looked a little bit like some laptop, sorry, motherboards, and yeah, it looked like battery connector, network. No, even got CPU on it, and the memory. Okay, so that was definitely some laptop, but mini one. Look like cool. One PCI card. Look like some kind of SCSI controller. Huge crystal oscillator on it. Some gold fingers and few chips. Yeah, great. Another phone. This look like circuit board from this Nokia in here. Actually the buttons fits perfectly. So, and then I get such a nice little circuit board, also from Nokia. A lot of gold plating on it. Nice tantalums. And yeah, just great. Perfect. Then something, another circuit. This looks like some kind of screen. Yeah. Those circuit boards used to be under this green screens, like on that device. Okay, another circuit board plated with gold plating mounted on the alu plate. 2 RAM stick. This one has 4 gigs, so that's not bad if it works. And this one has 2 gigs, so also not so bad. And what else? Another, yeah, just some cover, just clean piece of alu, some Bluetooth keyboard for iPad, but too bad missing one key. Anyway, I have no iPad, so no, and as well missing back cover. Okay, I didn't see that before, or maybe it just fall out. And yeah, one more circuit board with this gold plating mounted on this alu piece of metal. Okay, one more old Nokia, I believe. Just some circuit boards with north and south bridge. A little bit dirty, but it's come. Can I see the date? Intel 80s. Perfect. Infineon. Very nice. Okay. Cool. That can be so cool cheap. I get one more frequency inverter. I do have them also last time. I get 2 of them. One of them I already took apart and scrap it. Second one, it's still laying there. I was saving it for video, but somehow I still doesn't have time to make it. So now I have 2 again. Maybe one day. And later on I get those guys that is look like some kind of, yeah, power contacts. And there's some tiny screen with 4 numbers. Okay, there is something standing. 12 apparat stick ampere meter. Okay, so this is like, let's say, our place where we connect 12 extra devices and we can mesh our power going through. Okay, that's cool. It looks like some kind of server stuff, maybe server box stuff to connect all those cables to the one. But all casing is extruded alu plus a little bit of brass in this contacts in here, and amperometer. The edges look like just simple iron. Anyway, 2 screws from each side should be very easy to take apart. And there is second kind, like tripled one. Each of them has its own amperometer, and behind it like box. Anyway, basically same stuff, except this big one has also back plate made of iron, and this is the same deal, special panel, 3 amperometers and 30 contacts for our devices, and some of them has also wiring. That's actually quite thick, nice wiring, and they were connected to something with such a stick or plug, whatever you call. So cool. And those plugs also have like fuse inside as well. So there we have the fuse when the power coming in, and then we have amperometer over there, and who knows what else. Before I open one up, yes, the same deal with the big one. I got one with wire. At this one stand max 8 amps, and this is 3 phases, as you can see, 3 fuses. Okay, 8 amps. Okay, and I got like bunch of them. So that's the pickup from today. All those small stuff, all great. I'm very happy of that. So hope you enjoy the update, and see you on the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.